Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to react to Birds of Prey 2020 first look trailer, Harley Quinn movie starring Margot Robbie, Ewan McGregor. It's technically I think is a sequel to that Suicide Squad film. I'm a big DC nerd. So obviously I'm extremely excited about this film. Anyway, let's stop talking and start reacting to this thing. 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, after seeing this thing multiple times, I gotta say, this film looks intriguing. Very interesting. Ewan McGregor is basically playing the villain Black Mask. So can't wait to see what he brings in this film. Also there are comic book characters Huntress, Black Canary, Renee Montoya. And we also got a little bit tease of Cassandra Cain. Cassandra Cain is probably my favorite bad girl from the comics. Anyway guys, that's all my thoughts. Really like this first teaser. Can't wait to see what they bring in the film. Until next video guys, adios!